Over 20 years in Aussie gutter protection, we use our product and system for many different things. The one main thing that people want is to leaf-proof their gutters. And that's varied greatly as well, depending on the roof type and the environment. And what we are trying to achieve for most people is a maintenance-free system. That's not always possible, but to leaf-proof some gutters, it really requires a system that's fine, like that can filter water and keep out debris. That's the main reason that people call us. And in most cases, we can provide a long-term solution. Many of the people that call us really don't know they have an issue until sometimes too late. And the reason being it's a big storm, or it's something that happens that creates a problem that they need to address. And those problems are blocked gutters or blocked downpipes, and blockages even as far down as underground. But we have our solution is to screen the gutters to a point to make sure that you don't have to worry about those storms, because the storms are the things that generally cause the issue. But if in just general terms, anytime you don't keep gutters clean, there can be an issue, whether it's a storm or not. It can just be your standard rain over a period of time. So it really is important that even though it's an out of sight, out of mind issue, it's important that that your roof is flowing into your gutters and freely down your downpipes.